Hello friends, welcome to this class of Fast Track Quick Revision. Topic is force. Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about force, a chapter from physics. So let's discuss it. What is force? Push or pull on a body is called force. For example, if you pull a box, it will move. So you are applying your force to pull that box, to push that box. So, push or pull on a body is called force. Now, what is the direction of force? The direction in which a body is pushed or pulled is called the direction of force. For example, a football player kicks the moving ball and changes its direction. So, he changes the direction of applied force. This is called the direction of force. Now, the effect of force. A force is an action that tends to alter the position, shape, direction, speed of body. It changes the position, like I told you the example of that football player. It changes the shape. If we squeeze a balloon, it changes its shape, and when we stop squeezing it, it comes back to its original shape. So force also changes shape, direction. It can change the direction. For example, how we change the direction of a moving car. Now, speed of the body. Speed, when the football is going and the player increases his speed by kicking it one more time and by increasing the speed of a moving car. So these are the effects of force. Now we are going to discuss the types of forces. There are two types of forces, contact and non-contact force, and the SI unit of force is Newton. And now, contact force. There are three types of contact force: muscular or biological force, frictional force, and elastic force. Now, the examples of muscular or biological force are lifting school bags. Frictional force are tending to oppose motion. Elastic force are stretching of a rubber band, sponge, or wet clothes. Now, non contact force are of four different types: magnetic, gravitational, electrostatic, and nuclear. Gravitational magnetic force is when two magnets attract to each other with the help of magnetic force. Gravitational force, object falling from the height are object fall to the earth's ground because of the earth's gravitation. That is the gravitational force. Electrostatic force, when one electrically charged body attracts to another electrically or uncharged body is called electrostatic force. For example, if you rub a balloon to a metal surface and then you hold the balloon above your hand, then the hairs of your hand will stand. This is called electrostatic force. It acts on a very small distance between the surface and the body. Nuclear force. It is the most powerful type of force present. It happens in a very small scales. It happens inside an atom between the neutrons and protons. It is called the nuclear force, and it binds them together. It is used in making atomic bombs. So, contact force requires the contact of two bodies, i.e., it requires the touch of the bodies, such as non-contact force requires no contact or no touch. It can act from a very long distance. Now, the formula of force is mass into acceleration. It depends on the mass of the body, and it depends on how much speed by how much speed you apply the force. For example, if if one person is hitting another person, it depends on how much speed he hits him. If he hits him very slowly, then he will not be affected too largely. But if he hits him very but if he hits him very fast, then the person will get affected very badly. So it depends on the mass and the acceleration of the applied force. That is, the acceleration is meter per second square. So the whole formula is kg meter per second square. Thank you for watching this video so much. You can download this PDF from the description, from the link in the description, and keep watching my videos of the channel. Subscribe it and like it and share it. Thank you.